to Fusan International Enterprise Limited.
Our company was founded in 2008 with an area of 5,000 square meters and has an experienced handmade production team of 150 employees.
Let's take a look together.
Our company focuses on providing high-quality packaging solutions for global customers, such as two-pieces box, drawer box, linked box, heart-shaped box, irregular box, round box, etc., to meet the packaging needs of different industries.
This is our sample making room. We can accept any customizations, such as box style, color, size, and so on to meet your requirements. These boxes are all produced by us. We can accept custom all kinds of boxes, such as candy box, candle box, perfume box, flower box, chocolate box, and etc. Do you know how to make them?
Let's take a look.
Let's see our machines. This is the die cutting making machine.
Our master makes the die cutting mold according to the artwork. Then use a paper cutting machine to cut the suitable paper size. We have the Heidelberg printing machine, and various colors can be realized according to your requirements.
Next is the surface treatment process.
We can do various surface treatments, such as lamination, varnishing, spot UV, hot stamping, embossing, debossing, grinding, etc.
This is the hot stamping machine. The effect of hot stamping is very beautiful. What did you think? This is our die cutting machine workshop.
We have 10 die cutting machines, mainly used for cutting paper balls and covering paper.
In addition, we also have a paper tube making machine.
And we have hundreds of molds with different diameter for producing paper tubes from 17 to 322 millimeters.
Then use the paper tube cutting machine to cut the height of the paper tube.
At the same time, our factory is also equipped with an automatic roll edge machine to meet your customized needs.
This is our production line.
Combining the paper board, shaping, wrapping the covering paper, placing the insert, quality inspection, packaging.
We have 10 production lines and our employees have over 5 years experience in pasting the handmade box. This machine is mainly used for two-pieces box and drawer box with a daily production capacity up to 6,000 pieces.
In the meantime, we have automatic pasting machine.
Thank you for your watching. If you have any box needs, please contact me at any time.